everybody, I'm Erin and I'm gonna introduce my toy Zobos. And this is what they look like first when they're little balls, and you pop them open like it always does that. So this one is another one, it's a vertical spike. And this is how you open it. There is also a habitat. This is the habitat and you can open it. This is a little bit hard to close. You have to close it one by one, and like this. Then to pop them open, you just put them at a habitat. They have magnets. They have magnets and numbers. This one is 96, and this is my This is my favorite, the bird type. I saw it from another video, so this one is the birthday girl spike. I saw it from TV. You can buy this from Singapore, Toys R Us, or maybe Toy Kingdom. But this one is from Singapore. So that's about it. I'm gonna get some more toys. So bye bye.